everyone. This is your weekly Conway Regional Health System COVID update. Today, we are at 49 total COVID patients. That's up slightly from last week where we were at 44. We saw somewhat of a dip toward the end of the week, but we are starting to see an increase in our census here today. I want to talk a little bit about acuity. You know, we have said in these weekly updates that the acuity of illness that we see here in the hospital seems to be higher, particularly with those that are unvaccinated. Just a few statistics for you. Since June 1st, we've had a total of 199 patients admitted for COVID. Of that total, 170 of those were unvaccinated and only 29 were vaccinated. Of those 29 that were vaccinated, 8 ended up on a ventilator and 3 eventually passed. Of the unvaccinated group, there were 47 total vents and a total of 19 deaths. Again, this is just since June 1st. So the data continues to show and to support that being unvaccinated puts you at greater risk, not only of hospitalization, but also of significant illness from the virus. When COVID first came about, we had 13 total ventilators in-house. As I stand here today, that number is actually in excess of 30 vents in-house. So this illness is for real. This illness is serious. This illness has strained certainly our resources, and we're always going to be here to take care of folks, whether they're vaccinated or not. But again, this is your weekly plea. If you, a family, friend, or loved one is still on the fence about getting vaccinated, talk to your medical provider, but also look at the data and consider the evidence, which is pretty overwhelming. And the longer we go through this, the more and more validating that becomes. So thank you all for watching. Have a great week.